I present unto you the candidates in person in the BSc Zoology who have been certified by, after examination, to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of Mother Teresa Women's University, Kodaikanal. Davamani, yes. Josephine Vinnarasi, yes. Kartika B. Kartika V. Manimegalai R. Maria Belsia C. Nandini S. Radhika P. Sahaya Selvi P. Satya N. Sridevi P. Sublakshmi V. Vijayalakshmi M.
I present unto you the candidates in person, BCA, who have been certified by, after examination, to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of Mother Teresa Women's University, Kodaikanal. Abhinaya A, Arul Soundarya A, Fazila Daslim S, Gomadi S, Jones Libya S, Kalishwari G, Kartiha K, Kavita M, Kausalya A, Lavanya S, Pandichelvi Pavitra S, Babadarani C, Priyadarshini M. I present unto you the candidates in person in BSc IT who have been certified by, after examination, to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of Mother Teresa Women's University, Kodaikanal. Alakumina S, Bhuneshwari C, Janaki M, Janani C, Logeshwari P, Pavitra M, Pushpa N, Radha T, Sandhya P, Dhanapriya T, Vinodini B, Yasodai P. I present unto you the candidates in person in BSc Computer Science who have been certified by, after examination, to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of Mother Teresa Women's University, Kodaikanal. Anis Fatima V, Christina A, Durga P, Esther Jabarani J, Jasmini A, Priyanka M, Sandhya N, Sajita A, Sharmila Rosi M, Sibia A, Tamarai Chelvi G, Vanitha M, Yalbhavani A, Priyanka A.
I present unto you the candidates in person in the BCom who have been certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of Mother Teresa Women's University, Kodaikanal. Anbukarashi A, Ashwini Brinda N, Bhagyalakshmi M, Bhuvaneshwari A, Catherine Abhinaya S, Daisy Anita J, Densia D, Devi Priya M, Dharani B, Diana Lily A, Gauri C, Guru Priya G, Jhansi Rani A, Josephine T, Kalaivani M, Kanmani R, Kausalya K, Kausalya R, Manimehalai S, Maria Josephine Agalya M, Mariammal S, Monisha Catherine B, Prince C P, Priyadashni R, Rexhalin Sindhya A, Ruth G, Rosie X, Sayedali Fatima J, Sandhya T, Saranya A, Sivapriya R, Sandana Priya K, Saroni Irene S, Sivagami P, Soundarya T, Suganti R, Sweta S, Tennis Mary J, Tenmoli S, Uma Bharati R, Veeramati A, Revati A, Selva Mary T.
I present unto you the candidates in person in the BCom with CA who have been certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of Mother Teresa Women's University, Kodaikanal. Angel Mary, Catherine Surya, Clara Mary, Divya Bharati, Gunalakshmi, Jhansi Daisy Mary, Kalavati, Kalpana Devi, Kausalya, Maggie Salesha, Malesh, Maria Jennifer Dhanalakshmi, Naga Gomati, Navita, Preeti, A. Priya, Priyanka, Roshini Jemima, Sahaya Rani, Shamshiba Shanumonal, Vimala, Yagavi, Evangeline Preeti. Abhirami K, Aksalya S, Karnal Sonia Mary B, Chitra Devi G, Janani P, Jasmine Priyadashini S, Kalishwari A, Kartiga C, Kokila P, Kupamal Devi, Manjula Devi S, Monolisha K, Nadia K, Pavitra M, Pravina J, Priya Pushpam A, Priyanka B, Reena Jasmine A, Renuka P, Salome Beulah J, Selas Helen Rani A, Soumya Devi L, Veeralakshmi P, Yogalakshmi B.
Principal, under the laws of the university, I present unto you in absentia the following number of candidates who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of Mother Teresa Women's University, Kodaikanal in the respective departments B.A. Tamil, B. Amali Belsia, B. Devika, Divya, Leo Princy, Pamela Preeti, Priyalada, Selvi, Vinodini, Sobana. B.A. English, Afia Fatima, Akshaya, Catherine Sona, Sharmila, Syed Ali Fatima. B.Sc. Mathematics, Kirtana, Saranya, Amreen Banu, Karpagavalli, Hemalata, Kokila, Mahalakshmi, Muthulakshmi. B.Sc. Physics, Anushya, Vimala Mary, Mageshwari, Shubhashini. B.Sc. Chemistry, Jennifer, Kavita, Kayalvili, Pandiswari, Sornama, Vijayasri, Bhuvaneshwari, Deiva, Hemalata, Mangayar Karasi, Nagalakshmi, Suganya and Kaunsalya. BCA, Devika, Kanchana, Kirtika, Punita. BSc IT, Pradeepa, Sonia Banu, Munishwari, Veeralakshmi. BSc CS, Deepika, Divya, Jeeva Jyoti, Pongodi, Revadi, Sivapriya, Shiva Shankari. BCom, Bhuvaneshwari, Chitra, Divya, Margaret Jennifer, Rathika, Sandhya Jennifer, Tangamani. BCom CA, Avudai Devi, Annapurani, R.O. Ramya, Kirtika, Mary, Mercy Meghala Mary, Evangeline Preeti, Clara, Esther Infanta, Niveta, Winslade Soumya. MA English, Bhanupriya, Monisha, Punita Jodi, Shine Rosie, Steffi Evangeline. MSc Mathematics, Dhanalakshmi, Tony Rani Prasanna, Kirtika, Suganya. MSc Computer Science, Deiva Kumari, Shuganti. MCom, Kalayarasi and Muthulakshmi. Thank you.
Let all the graduates stand up for the pledge. We shall in thought,
word and deed, ever endeavor to be scrupulously honest in the discharge of our duties in our profession, and shall uphold the dignity and integrity of our profession and the honor of our university. We shall uphold and advance social order and the well-being of our fellow members, and shall devote all our energy to promote unity, integrity, and the secular ideal of our country.
by virtue of the authority
Vested in me as the principal of St. Anthony's College of Arts and Sciences for Women, Thamaripadi, Dindigul, I admit you to the several degree for which you have been declared qualified, and in token whereof I permit you to wear the academic robes ordained as the insignia of your degrees. Now I request our President, Reverend Sister Jnana Soundari, to distribute the certificates to their rank holders.
Now I invite all the rank holders to receive their certificate. UG courses, BA Tamil, Pushpalada got 2nd rank. BSc Mathematics, Jones Pravina U got 2nd rank. BCom, Syed Ali Fatima got 1st rank. Saranya A got 2nd rank. BCom CA, Kartiga C got 2nd rank. PG course, MCom, Ishwari A got 2nd rank. MPhil course, English, Divya RJ got 1st rank. Part 2, Aisha Daslim from BSc Mathematics got 1st rank. Amala A from BSc Mathematics got 2nd rank. Thank you.